Are you struggling with your health? Do you wake up tired, in pain, or unsure what's happening inside your body? Are you watching your loved ones suffer while the cost of care keeps rising? Are you unemployed, underpaid, or feeling stuck with no way forward? This message is for you. Green World Herbal Care Solutions is not just a company, it's a global movement of healing, empowerment, and legacy. We offer natural, herbal products that restore your body and a business model that restores your future. We care for every part of you. Bone and joint care, brain care, cancer care, children care, circulatory care, detox care, eye care, female care, immune care, male care, nutrition care, respiratory care, skin care, slimming care. Whatever you're facing, we have a solution. Whether it's your bones, your brain, your lungs, your skin, your weight, or your immune system, Green World Herbal Care Solutions is here to help. But we don't stop at healing. We give you the power to build. With Green World, you earn a percentage on every product you sell. You earn a commission on every person you invite into the business. And you continue to earn a percentage on every person they introduce and on every sale they make. On top of that, Green World rewards you with bonuses, recognition, prizes, and financial incentives as your network grows. This is how you rise. This is how you build wealth. This is how you create a legacy. At Green World, we care, we share, we serve. Together, we rise. Together, we shine. Your health is your wealth. Your future begins here. If you're ready to take control of your health, if you're ready to build a business that pays you with percentages, commissions, and bonuses for every product, every person, and every sale in your network, if you're ready to leave a legacy, then Green World Herbal Care Solutions is waiting for you. Join us today.
Join us today and be part of the Green World movement. Contact us now.